In today's video, I'll walk you through the detailed process of transferring your YouTube channel to another Google account. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to YouTube, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and ensure you have the correct channel selected. If not, switch accounts accordingly. Now, enter YouTube Studio, located at the bottom right. In the settings, navigate to the left and select Permissions. Under Permissions, click on Manage Permissions. This takes you to your brand account details. Locate the Users section and click on Manage Permissions. Enter your Google account password when prompted. Now, at the top right, click on the icon with a person and a plus sign. Enter the email of the Google account you want to transfer the channel to. Choose the role as owner and send the invite. The invited account will receive an email notification. Check the email and click on Accept Invitation. Click Accept. Head back to your YouTube dashboard, go to Settings, Permissions, and Manage Permissions again. Click Manage Permissions. Here, you'll see both accounts listed. To make the new account the primary owner, click the drop-down menu, select Primary Owner, and hit Transfer. Keep in mind, you must wait 7 days, as mentioned in the bottom left corner, before making this transfer. On the 8th day, you'll be able to switch the new account to the primary owner. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on transferring your YouTube channel to another Google account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and peace out.